everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be doing a quick overview of this MSI MPG Velox 100R PC case. I'll show you what all the components are on the case so you know what to expect if you're looking to buy this case. And then I'll come back to you once my PC is built and show you what all the ARGB fans look like when it's all lit up. Really cool case, and spoiler alert, it's got a side door on it, so you have quick access to all of your components. If you are interested in this case, I will have links below in the description, but let's go ahead and dive right into it. So let's start out with the front of the case here. Again, this is the MSI MPG Velox 100R. You can see the logo there at the top, and there are three 120 millimeter ARGB fans down the front of the case. At the bottom here, you're going to see the MPG logo, and this is actually tempered glass here on the front, so really nice. Let's go ahead and peel that off there so you can see a little bit better. So again, that's tempered glass there on the front, and you're going to have venting down the side on this side here, as well as on this side right here. So the size on this PC case, the length on it here is 18.66 inches long, and that includes the little hinges here on the side that stick out. As for the width on it, the width is 9.09 inches, and that includes the little handle here on the side that sticks out for the door. And then the height, including the feet at the bottom, so from the bottom to the top up here, is 19.29 inches. On the top of the case here, you've got your removable magnetic dust filter. Comes off really easy, and you can see this is where you might mount some of your fans here at the top. Now, as for the I/O area here, all of your buttons, let's take a closer look. You've got your Insta Light Loop button here, or your LED button. There is a Type-C connection here. This is a 3.2 Gen 2 USB-C. You've got two USB-A ports here. These are 3.2 Gen 1 ports. You've got a microphone jack, a 3.5 millimeter microphone jack, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. You've got your reset button here, and you've also got your power button. On the back of the PC here, you can see the back side of your 120 millimeter ARGB fan, your cutout for your I/O here, and your removable plates here for your graphics card, etc. The back side of where your power supply goes. And on this side, the back face here, there are twistable screws here that you take out to remove the side panel. We'll get to that in a moment. And you'll also see the hinges here for your side panel. So the side panel on this PC case is tempered glass. And of course, you've got your hinges here. We already talked about those, one at the top and one at the bottom. And then this door just swings open just like that. There's a little handle on it. Super easy access to all of your components. There's little magnets here that hold it shut. So very convenient. If you do want to remove it when you're working on your PC, it just lifts right off just like that. So you can put it aside and have easy access to all your components. In the case, there was a box, and in that box was the vertical GPU stand with screws, and that mounts in there just like that if you want to do a vertical GPU. There's also the quick installation guide for your information to help you install everything. You've also got the 120 millimeter ARGB fan here at the back, and the connector on that looks to be the 3-pin connector with your lighting cable going back to the controller. We'll have a look at that in a moment. You've got your removable plates here. Your GPU can stick out the back in those plates. Down here at the bottom, kind of a honeycomb pattern through to your power supply, a little window cutout for your power supply there. And then at the front here, of course, your 320 millimeter ARGB fans. And I love these rubber grommets here for the cable pass-throughs. It'll keep your build really clean. So there's some at the bottom, big ones here on the side, and then 3 more up here at the top. Now, you may have noticed this venting area here on the side. That is support for a 2-fan, 240 millimeter radiator here on the side. It goes right through the side of the case. Now at the top here, it supports a 360 millimeter radiator or 320 millimeter fans at the top as well as at the front. And I'll pop up a graphic here that shows you all the support for the different radiators and fans that you can use with this PC case. You can pause it here and have a closer look. On the other side of the case, you can see the venting for the side mount radiator there. And I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the screws here and take off the side panel, and we'll look at what's behind there. Behind that back cover, of course, you're gonna find all the cables going up to the I/O here at the top, and really nice MSI Velcro straps here holding all the cables in place. There's the other end of all those cables there to connect to your motherboard. Now here at the front, of course, you've got your 3 fans. So there's 3-pin connectors for those fans there at the front. And then your lighting cables run all the way over to this lighting hub here that you'll connect to your motherboard. And there's all the connectors for your motherboard for that. So that's all set up there. And then down below here, you've got your 3.5-inch enclosure for drives down here at the bottom. And there's some screws in here if you need those for your build. They're inside there. You've also got the power supply area here with some foam, so you won't have very much vibration in there. And there is a filter that you can access from underneath, a dust filter that you can remove and clean out. So that's the power supply area. And then here you have a mounting area for 2.5-inch solid state drives as well. And of course your cutout for the back of your motherboard. And I really do like, again, these rubber grommets here for cable pass-throughs on the back of this case. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop up some more of the technical specs here. You can pause it here and have a closer look if that's something you're interested in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and complete my build, and we'll come back to you and show you what all the ARGB lighting looks like. So I've just about got my PC built here. I still have to do a lot of cable management and install my GPU, but here's a quick look at those included fans here on the case. So there's 3 ARGB ones at the front, and then there's the one at the back here that's included as well. And I know I haven't mentioned this already, there's also a lighting strip down here as well. And this is all customizable with Mystic Light, or of course, you can push the button here at the top. Let me show you some of the different colors. So a whole bunch of different colors to choose from just from the controls on top of the case. Beautiful little case. And again, this is the MSI MPG Velox 100R PC case. So hope this overview of this MSI MPG Velox 100R PC case gave you value. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.